In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the cart icon on Shopify. We'll start right inside your Shopify admin. Make sure you're logged into your store, and from the main dashboard, look over to the left-hand side where you see your main navigation. Find and click on Online Store. This is where all of your themes live and where we'll make the visual change to your cart icon. On the Themes page, look for your active theme. To the right of the Customize button, you'll see a small icon with 3 dots. Click on those 3 dots to open a drop-down menu. From that menu, choose Edit Code. This takes you into the theme code editor, where all of your theme files are organized. On the left side, you'll see a panel with folders and files. First, make sure you've selected your current theme name at the top, so you're editing the correct one. Then, in that same left panel, find and click on the folder labeled Sections. Inside the Sections folder, look for a file called Cart Icon Bubble Liquid and click on it. This is the file that controls how your cart icon appears in the header. Now we're going to grab a new cart icon. Open a new browser tab and go to the SVG icon library that's linked in the video description. Once you're on that site, use the search bar and type in cart. You'll see a variety of cart icons. Scroll through and click on the one that best matches the style of your store. On that icon's page, look for an option that says Edit Vector and click it. This will open an editor view for the SVG. In that editor, find the button that says Copy SVG and click it. This copies the full SVG code to your clipboard. Go back to your Shopify Code Editor tab. In the cart icon bubble.liquid file, find the part of the code that looks like a reference to the default cart icon, something similar to inline asset content for the cart SVG. Highlight that entire reference, delete it, and paste in the SVG code you just copied. Directly below, you'll likely see another similar line of code for a different cart state, such as when the cart is not empty. Repeat the same process there. Remove the existing reference and paste in another SVG, which can be the same or a variation depending on the look you're going for. When you're done, go to the top right of the code editor and click Save. After saving, preview your store and refresh the page. You should now see your new custom cart icon